India is a land of incredible variety. It stretches from the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean in the south. This geographical diversity is mirrored in the cultural and social fabric of the nation. Each region of India has its own unique identity, contributing to the rich tapestry that makes up this incredible country. Think towering snow-covered Himalayan mountains, vast golden deserts, and bright green valleys. The Himalayas are not just a natural wonder, but also a spiritual haven. The Thar Desert offers a stark contrast to the lush green valleys. These landscapes are a testament to the incredible natural diversity of India. And don't forget the beautiful beaches with palm trees touching the clear blue water of the Indian Ocean. The coastal regions, from Kerala to Goa, offer a different kind of beauty. These areas are home to diverse ecosystems and vibrant cultures. This amazing mix of landscapes is matched by the variety of its people, their cultures, and how they live. India is home to over 1 billion people, each with their own unique traditions and ways of life. From colorful festivals to everyday rituals, the cultural diversity of India is truly astounding. Even with all these differences, India is united as the world's biggest democracy. The Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to all citizens. The Parliament House in New Delhi stands as a symbol of this democratic spirit. From the huge Himalayas in the north to the tropical rivers and lakes in the south, India's geography is as diverse as its culture. The snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas contrast with the tropical rivers and lakes of Kerala. India is like a colorful tapestry. Each thread represents a different aspect of the country, from its natural beauty to its cultural richness. The traditional textiles and bustling street markets are a microcosm of Indian life. Each area has its own special charm and beauty. From the traditional architecture of Rajasthan to the serene beauty of Assam, every region has something special to offer. And it's not just the land, it's the people, their languages, and what they believe in that make India so diverse. The religious ceremonies and cultural festivals are a reflection of the country's vibrant culture. But even with all these differences, India is one. The unity in diversity is a defining characteristic of India. People from different backgrounds holding hands and participating in unity marches are a testament to this spirit of togetherness. Its people are connected by history, culture, and a strong sense of belonging. The historical landmarks and cultural celebrations are a reflection of the country's vibrant culture. This massive country is home to 1/6 of everyone on Earth. With a population of over 1 billion people, India is one of the most populous countries in the world. The crowded urban areas and diverse crowds are a testament to the country's diversity. It's a mix of religions, languages, and different groups of people. The religious places and multilingual signboards are a reflection of the country's diversity. India's democracy thrives in this mix, with people from all walks of life adding to the colorful picture of this nation. The Indian Parliament sessions and diverse crowds participating in democratic processes are a reflection of the country's democratic spirit. Being united despite our differences isn't just an idea, it's how we live in India. The interactions between families from different backgrounds and community gatherings are a testament to the country's unity in diversity. India's cities show all sides of India. They are a microcosm of the country's vast diversity, where tradition meets modernity, and where the old and new coexist in a delicate balance. From the ancient temples and colonial-era buildings to the sleek skyscrapers and modern infrastructure, these cities are a testament to India's rich history and its rapid progress. They are busy centers, attracting millions hoping for a better life. People from all over the country flock to these urban hubs in search of opportunities, bringing with them their unique cultures, languages, and traditions. The streets are a melting pot of diversity where you can hear a multitude of languages and see a variety of cultural practices. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. These huge cities never sleep. The hustle and bustle continue around the clock, with the night bringing a different kind of energy. The city lights illuminate the skyline, and the streets are alive with activity. From late-night food vendors to bustling markets and nightlife, they are full of energy, ambition, and the dreams of millions. In the corporate offices, you find young professionals working tirelessly to climb the career ladder, while on the streets, vendors and small business owners hustle to make a living. Everyone is driven by the hope of a better future. Giant skyscrapers show how much India's economy is growing. These towering structures are symbols of economic progress and development, housing multinational corporations, luxury apartments, and high-end retail stores. They represent the aspirations of a nation on the rise. But next to these signs of progress, there are also serious problems. The stark contrast between the gleaming skyscrapers and the sprawling slums highlights the deep-rooted inequalities that persist. While some enjoy the luxuries of modern living, many others struggle to meet their basic needs. The struggles of the poor in cities remind us of the difficulties India faces. Families living in cramped makeshift homes with limited access to clean water, sanitation, and healthcare paint a grim picture of urban poverty. These challenges are a stark reminder of the work that still needs to be done to achieve inclusive growth. Slums exist right next to rich neighborhoods, showing the difference between the rich and the poor. This juxtaposition is a daily reality for many city dwellers, where the opulence of luxury apartments and gated communities stands in sharp contrast to the squalor of nearby slums. It is a visual representation of the economic divide. Millions struggle because they don't have good homes, clean water, or even basic things they need. Children grow up in these challenging conditions, often missing out on education and opportunities that could help them break the cycle of poverty. The lack of basic amenities is a significant barrier to improving their quality of life. Even with these problems, the city keeps going. The resilience of its people is remarkable. Despite the hardships, they continue to strive for a better life, finding ways to adapt and survive in the urban jungle. The city is a testament to human endurance and the unyielding spirit of its inhabitants. The streets are full of sounds, street vendors selling things, busy markets, and kids laughing and playing. The vibrant street life is a reflection of the city's dynamic culture. Markets buzz with activity as vendors call out to potential customers, and children find joy in simple games, creating a lively and colorful atmosphere. In its own busy, sometimes messy way, the city brings people together. It is a place where different worlds collide, where people from various backgrounds and walks of life interact and coexist. The city, with all its chaos and charm, is a melting pot of humanity, offering a glimpse into the heart and soul of India. In India, education is crucial for progress. It unlocks potential, empowers critical thinking, and enables meaningful societal contributions. The country has a rich history of learning, with ancient universities like Nalanda and Takshashila influencing education today. The Right to Education Act ensures free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14, aiming for universal education. Government initiatives like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and the midday meal scheme have improved enrollment and literacy rates. Challenges remain, especially in rural areas and for marginalized groups, with issues like inadequate infrastructure and social barriers. Urban schools often have better facilities and resources, creating disparities between urban and rural education. Overcrowded classrooms, lack of trained teachers, and economic pressures hinder education in rural areas. Despite challenges, India's youth are eager to learn and determined to overcome obstacles. They aim to use their education to drive social change and contribute to the nation's development. Their enthusiasm for education is evident in their dedication and commitment to their studies. The government and charities are working to ensure every child has a chance to succeed, creating a more inclusive education system. Everyone knows about Indian food. It's a mix of amazing tastes, smells, and colors. From the spicy dishes in the south to the rich sauces in the north, every area has its own special food. Fresh spices, herbs, and vegetables are what make Indian cooking so good. But even with all this delicious food, there's a sad truth. Many people are still hungry. Even though India grows a lot of food, many people don't have enough to eat and are not healthy. Being poor, unfairness, and problems getting food to people who need it are all part of this problem.